So good evening and welcome guys for today's lecture. Today we are going to see our 11th module, that is social media Facebook marketing. Okay, that is nothing but it is a part of social media marketing. So सोशल मीडिया में जो प्लेटफॉर्म्स यूज होते हैं उसमें फेसबुक इज नंबर वन प्लेटफॉर्म where we target the audience on the social media platform. So yesterday we have seen what is mean by social media marketing. Actually we have seen what is mean by social media optimization, and let's see today what is mean by social media marketing. So social media marketing is nothing but using the social media for our marketing purpose. We are going to market our service or product by using social media and to our potential clients on the social media. Let's see how to create a business Facebook business page. So let's make a Facebook business page. Today I will show you how to make a Facebook business page. So let's see. Am I audible? Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you need to log into Facebook first. Sorry for the slow network. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's consider we don't have any Facebook account. Let's create a new account. Click on create a new account. Okay. So for the sake of understanding, let's write IIBM practice page and IIBM digital classes. You need to add your email address. Password. Okay. Let's write. Am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So then click on sign up. Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why it is taking so much time? Am I audible, guys? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Mm, Manish, can you send me your phone number?
My phone number. Okay, 730
730
410
410
4883.
488. तो
Yes,
अभी कोड आएगा, टेल मी दैट कोड.
yes, sir. ये कोड आ गया सर 63
63
51
51
70.
77.
No, 700. 70, sir. Oh,
Yes.
okay, correct, sir.
It usually happens with Facebook that it generally nowadays it don't allow new accounts. Okay, so new accounts are getting rejected very often.
Okay.
And if you have multiple accounts on a phone number, then that account will get rejected by Facebook. And if you keep on sending, if you just made a new account and if you keep on sending the friend requests to many people, then it will also reject your account. Okay, so now we have successfully made a Facebook account. Okay, now this is our page. Can you see, guys? Can you see this page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is our page. You need to add your profile picture and all these cover photo also. Okay, then let's see your dashboard. This is our account. This is all the dashboard of Facebook. Okay. Now see, when you click on this plus account, plus button, okay, then we need to create a business page. Okay, you can have multiple business page on a single Facebook account. एक अकाउंट से आप मल्टीपल बिजनेस पेजेस हैंडल कर सकते हो. And talking about how many numbers of business pages you can handle, nobody knows. But I am using 11 accounts, 11 business pages on my single account. Okay, am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir. You're
Yeah.
following.
Yeah. So अगर समझिए आपको कहीं कंपनी में जॉब लगता है, and that company is social media marketing company, and you need to create and update all the social media content on the social medias. So you need to, first of all, you need to create a business page. So let's see how to create a business page. Click on page. So this is the dashboard. So you need to put all the information here. Okay, so like page name is my business page. You can add your page business name also. Like if you are having a restaurant, then XYZ restaurant, or if you are having a school, XYZ school, XYZ institute, okay, XYZ private limited, anything you can write here. So let's see category. So let's see, let's understand that my business is, for example, like a restaurant. So see here restaurant, that's it. And you need to write description, my restaurant business डिस्क्रिप्शन. ठीक है, आपको यहाँ पे आपके बिजनेस का डिस्क्रिप्शन डालना है. देन क्लिक ऑन क्रिएट पेज. Okay, now our business page is created. Okay, so let's go back. Can you see this? Guys, can you see my screen?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So let's go to our business page. This is home button, this is account, oh sorry, this is friends button, and this is groups. So if we click here, we will go to our account. Okay, so this is our account. Where can you find the page on your home? Okay, यहाँ जब हम होम पे आते हैं तो साइड में आपको राइट हैंड साइड में आपको आपका जो पेजेस आप हैंडल कर रहे हो उसका डिटेल दिख जाएगा. कभी कभी क्या होता है यहाँ पे साइड में बताता है. Okay, if you have multiple accounts, then name of the pages come here. Okay, so let's go to our page. So this is our page. Okay, so first of all, you need to complete all these 14 steps. Now establish your page identity. Just click here, then add profile. Okay, let's download some photos. Restaurant. Can anyone tell me what should be my size of the cover photo? Deepak?
Don't know, sir.
I just showed you guys yesterday.
Sir, 320, 320. Okay, for Facebook, it's 170, 170.
Very good. So according to that size, you need to add a profile picture. Okay, now click on add profile. Click on upload photo and go to the desktop. Okay. Okay. Then here you can have this one. See, the photos couldn't be uploaded. Photo should be less than 4 MB. Okay, then let's upload a different photo. Let's see this photo. Okay. Save it. It should be public. Your profile photo should be public. So you need to create a good image. I will show you how to create and from where to create. Okay. Then next is the add cover photo. Click on it. Edit. Upload photo from the desktop. Let's see this photo. What is the size of Facebook page profile photo size?
Sir, cover photo, for cover photo, it's 851 by 315.
Good, very good. Click on save changes. Okay. Then we have already named our page. Oh my god. Okay, so let's see. Provide info and preferences. Add a website. So let us see. Localhost. Shift. Control C. Let's see. Let's add this website. Control V. Okay, fine. So we have successfully added our website. If you don't have a website, then you can click here. My page doesn't have a website. So we have successfully added our localhost website. Then add location info. Let's give location info. Address should be like Andheri East. City Mumbai, महाराष्ट्र. मनीष क्या है कोड, पोस्टल कोड मुंबई का?
Yes, sir. 410.
Yes.
210.
210. ठीक है, अगर आपका कोई लोकेशन नहीं है तो माय पेज डजंट हैव एनी लोकेशन. So just your changes have been saved. Okay, so got it. Add hours. You need to add the business hour. This is very important, guys. So अगर आपका कोई देखिए 4 ऑप्शन है. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन में क्या है, नो आवर्स अवेलेबल. तो आपको यहाँ पे डालना अच्छा ही रहता है, क्योंकि अगर आप नो आवर्स डालेंगे तो वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं बताएगा. लेकिन अगर ऑलवेज ओपन कर सकते हैं, अगर लाइक यू आर गिविंग सर्विसेज 24/7, then you can click on always open. And if your business is permanently closed, you can select it. But and if you have a selected timings like from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., so like this option comes up. Okay, so Monday from 10 to closing time 10 a.m. Closing time is like 15. Okay, so like this you can copy this, control C, control V, control V, control V, copy, paste. And 18 is closing time. Okay, so we have successfully added all the timings. Can you guys, can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so then I think it is saved automatically, so just cut it. Then as we are having a restaurant, then he is saying that add menus. Depending upon your business, you can have different options here. So you can have dine in, customer collection, restaurant delivery. Okay, food details, food delivery address, delivery area in kilometers, like we are delivering 30 kilometers. Okay, minimum order हमको चाहिए, if we don't want minimum order, अगर कम भी ऑर्डर आता है तो हम देने तैयार है. डिलीवरी अगर हमको चार्जेस कर रहे हैं तो वी कैन यू कैन हैव द ऑल द प्राइसेस हियर. सो वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग फ्री. फूड टाइप क्या है हमारा, फॉर एग्जांपल वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग लाइक चाइनीज फूड, Chinese. Okay, so you will find an option like Chinese, and along with Chinese we are providing barbecue also. Okay, then you can save this barbecue and click on save. Okay, so see guys, this is our menu, this is our beautiful page. He's saying that add a menu tab to a page, so click on get started. You can add the photos. Let's upload those photos. This photo. Chinese food. You can dine in, collection also. Okay, and food type is Chinese. Payment method, you can say like cash. Click on save. Okay, now here you can see that it is saying that create a username. Okay, so just click on it. So you need to create a unique username. So every business page has its own unique username. Okay, so we can say Chinese in Mumbai. Okay, it is available. So like you can say delicious food Mumbai. So delicious food Mumbai is already taken. So let's see more delicious food. Delicious Chinese food Mumbai. Let's see is it available or not. So it is available. Okay, so you just need to create a username. Am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Click on done. So see here, we got a username delicious Chinese food Mumbai. So if someone searches this delicious Chinese food in Mumbai, our page gets visible to them. And he's saying add a button. So just click on it. नाउ अभी आप मुझे बताइए, यहाँ पे मुझे इतने ऑप्शंस ये दे रहा है, ठीक है, कि मेरे जो पेज विजिटर्स आएंगे तो वहां पे क्या मैं फॉलो लिखूं, व्यू गिफ्ट कार्ड लिखूं, स्टार्ट ऑर्डर लिखूं, बुक नाउ, गेट कोड, कॉल नाउ, कॉन्टैक्ट अस, सेंड मैसेज, इतने हम मुझे ऑप्शन है, तो मुझे क्या करना चाहिए रेस्टोरेंट के लिए बताइए।
Contact us, sir. Contact us. Book now.
नो, रॉन्ग,
Start order.
रॉन्ग, रॉन्ग,
Follow.
रॉन्ग। ये देख रहे हैं आप?
Start order.
So as we are having a restaurant, so guys, I think less than 1 minute is remaining. So if this session gets closed, then try to rejoin after 10 minutes, then we will continue.
Yeah, 8:50. Yes,
Yeah. In 10 minutes we will continue if this session gets closed. Okay, so we are having a restaurant because people need to order from here.